back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my delicious fruit smoothies. So first of all we are going to start with our strawberries. I just use these ones. I've used lots of different frozen strawberry packets in the past. I just have some frozen banana. And lastly, I'm going to add the melon. So next we're going to go in with some delicious chia seeds. Lastly, we are going to add some magnesium powder. Finally, we are going to add some water. Cheers! Now it's time to try it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then smash it a big thumbs up and subscribe and ring the bell to be notified every time I upload new videos. Share this video with your friends if you'd like to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!